the intro. Hey guys, guess who's back? I am back with another nail look. So for this look, I'm actually going to skip the base coat because I can't find my base coat. I've actually probably had to go buy a new one. But I'm going to go ahead and pick up this champagne polish. It's really pretty. I believe it's by Bourjois. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I'm going to link it in the description down below for you guys. It's quite sheer, but after 2 to 3 coats, it's pretty opaque. After that, I'm going to go ahead and pick up this polish from Urban Decay. It's really pretty. It has fine gold and green glitter in it, and then it has some pretty pink glitter as well as some chunky pink glitter. I'm going to start by adding it a little bit over the nails. As I have less and less product on the brush, I'm adding it towards the cuticles, and in between drying time, I'm going to go ahead and add more to the tips of my nails. It gives this really pretty glitter gradient to the nails. It's really easy, you guys. After all my nails are done with the glitter, I'm going to go ahead and add this nail tape. It's so pretty. It's holographic nail tape. I'm going to link that in the description as well. I got it off of eBay. And I'm just adding it to give just a little bit of detail to my nails. And I'm just going to trim off the sides. Now I'm going to grab my silicone tool and I'm just dipping it into acetone and I'm cleaning up the edges of my nails. This is by far the easiest way for me to clean up my nails. It just gets really into the side of your nails and cleans it up. It's so much easier than a Q-tip without me having to worry that the Q-tip is going to stick to my nails. And that's it, guys. Go ahead and add your top coats to get that beautiful gloss and shine. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I wore this for New Year's and I was actually supposed to upload this video for New Year's Eve, but I'm not gonna lie, I actually was slacking and just being a little lazy. But hey, better later than never, right?
Much faster before you came round. I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, make sure you click my picture on the bottom right to subscribe. Also click on the little bell so you can get post notifications when I upload a new video. If you haven't seen my previous video, go ahead and click to the box underneath and it'll take you directly to it. And I guess I'll see you when I see you because I'm not uploading every Monday. I'm super sorry, but yeah, see you when I see you guys. Bye.